to fix the issue of being unable to check in online with American Airlines. Follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your browser is up to date. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated information can cause issues with the check-in process. Next, verify that you are using the correct website, which is a.com, and that you are attempting to check in within the allowed time frame. Typically 24 hours before your scheduled flight. Make sure you have your reservation details, including your record locator or ticket number, ready. If you are still having trouble, try using a different browser or device to rule out any technical issues. Additionally, check that your flight is eligible for online check-in, as some flights may require in-person check-in. Another common issue is with passenger information, so ensure that the names on your ticket match your government-issued ID exactly. If you have recently changed your name or updated your ID, contact American Airlines to update your information. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact American Airlines customer service directly for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem or complete the check-in process over the phone. It is also a good idea to arrive at the airport early to allow time for any potential issues during the check-in process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and complete your online check-in with American Airlines. Remember to stay calm and patient, and do not hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. With a little troubleshooting, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free travel experience.